Welcome back to Section 6. I am Rimi, your host. You're doing an incredible job. We have already covered your name, your greetings, your country, your age, and your job. Now it is time to talk about another very important part of your life. It is time to talk about your family. When people want to know you better, they often ask about your family. It is a wonderful way to connect with others. Let us learn how to talk about our family using very simple and clear English. First, let us look at the question people might ask. They might say, "Do you have a big family or a small family?" Or they might ask, "How many people are there in your family?" Let us repeat that second question slowly. How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? Repeat after me. How many people are there in your family? To answer this question, you can start with a very easy sentence format. You can say, "There are number people in my family." For example, if you have 4 people in your family, you say, "There are 4 people in my family." Let us practice with different numbers. Repeat after me. There are 3 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. There are 6 people in my family. Now let us name the people in your family. Who are they? You can say, "They're my father, my mother, my brother, and me." Or you can say, "They're my husband, my daughter, and me." Let us practice these family words because they're very useful. Repeat after me. Father, mother, brother, sister, husband, wife, son, daughter. Let us practice a full description. Listen to my voice. There are 4 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, my sister, and me. Now, think about your own family. Count the people. I will ask you the question, and you will answer me out loud. Ready? Rimi, how many people are there in your family? You, there are people in my family. They are. That was beautiful. You can also talk about your brothers and sisters specifically. In English, we have a special word for brothers and sisters. It is siblings. But for one level, it is completely fine to just say brothers and sisters. You can say, "I have 1 brother and 2 sisters," or if you do not have any brothers or sisters, you can say, "I am an only child." This means you are the only son or daughter in your family. Let us practice that phrase. Repeat after me. I am an only child. Let us look at an example. If you are married, you can say, "I am married. I live with my wife and my son." Or you can say, "I am married. I live with my husband and my 2 daughters." If you are not married, you can say, "I am single." Let us practice these 2 words. Repeat after me. I am married. I am single. Now, let us connect your family background to your introduction. Let us see how it sounds when we put it after your job. Listen carefully. Hello, good morning. My name is Rimi. I am 25 years old. I am from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. I am a teacher. There are 4 people in my family. I live with my parents and my younger brother. Notice the word parents. Parents means your father and mother together. It is a shorter way to say, "my father and my mother." Let us practice saying it. Repeat after me. I live with my parents. Excellent. You are doing a fantastic job. You can now talk about your life, your home, your work, and your family. This makes your introduction complete, warm, and very friendly. This is the end of Section 6. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for Section 7.